In this time, you can start your own YouTube channel without making any videos by yourself. Yes. If you want to start your YouTube channel or want to make content for social media, you don't need to have a camera or don't need to record video. You can do all of them by using AI. So today, I will show you how to make videos or YouTube shorts by using AI. Let's get started. First, you need to go to Invideo.Ai website. You will find the link in description. Create an account in the site. It's very easy to create an account here. Just enter your email and follow the steps, or you can create an account by using your Google account. Here you can select what type of video you want to make. First, I will show you the basic method of making a simple video. Then I will show you the advanced process of making YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reel. In this box, you need to type your video topic or give the instructions to AI that what kind of video you want to make. At this time, I want to create gym motivational video, so I type my topic here, and then just click in this Generate a Video button. After that, AI will start analyzing the topic and start making the video. This AI will automatically add a voiceover and all the information needed for this video. Here you need to select your audience, video look, and the platform you want to make the video for. After selecting all of the options, just click on the Continue button, and the AI will start making your video. Just wait a moment, and your video will be ready. Here you can see that video making with AI is ready. Now you can see the preview from here or can export the video and download it. So click on this export button and select the options from here. If you have subscription, you can select these premium options. As I don't have the premium subscription, so I am going with stock watermark, normal AI branding in Full HD. Now click again this continue button. It will start the render. After completing the render, video will be start downloading. Now let's see how to make YouTube Shorts. Again, go to Invideo.Ai website. Here you will find many video making options. From here you need to find the YouTube Shorts options and click here to start. Here I will select fast-paced option, and then in this box I will type my video topic as previous. In this box type what kind of background music you want for your video. I want to add dark and epic music for this video. From here select your video language. There are so many language options here including Hindi. Here select the voice option, male or female. Select the subtitle type from here. There are many subtitle options available here. Here I usually select don't use this doc, because it will add a large watermark in the video, so select don't use this doc option. Then the last option, here you can select YouTube audio library or best audio for this video. Now click on continue. All the information is at here. Now just click on create video and continue. Now AI starts analyzing your instructions. Just wait a few moments. Here select the options and continue. Finally, your video is ready. Now you can export and download it. After downloading the video, you may find a watermark in the video. If you want to remove watermark, you can check my video about how to remove watermark from video. I will put the link in description. So, this was the video for today. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, make sure to like this video. And if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and comment what you want in next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.